I'm Bernadette Pop, and I'm with AEG Presents. AEG Presents is an entertainment company. We do concerts, tours, festivals. One of our biggest festivals is Coachella. I oversee the monthly forecast, making sure that yearly budgeting is done in a timely manner, and overseeing all of these processes. Using Excel, it was great when we were a smaller company, but over time we grew so much and so quickly that we ended up having one template for data input, but that one template had about 60 tabs in it. Forecasting we do every month, so without Vena, it would take about 3 days to refresh all the links and then making sure we have the latest information. With Vena, it takes seconds if I just want to run a consolidated report, and then we can churn out a couple of reports to our CFO in minutes. It was the most important things that we can take our existing reports, put it into a system, and then have the database. I would say I can finally do my job and then I can actually do analysis. I enjoy building reports and slice and dice the data, and now I have more time to do that.